And it's tea time, and tonight we have got the Linda McCartney vegetarian duck, carrot, spring onion, pancake wrap things, hoisin sauce, a bit of egg fried rice, vegetable rolls. So yeah, rather yummy. And it's tea time, and I cooked too much pasta. Chicken and bacon mushroom in a white sauce. The sauce is too thin, so it's all gone to the bottom and not coated. And yeah, I've cooked too much pasta, but basically give it a good stir, chuck on some black pepper in a minute and it's going to be fine, but it's looking a little bit odd at the moment. And it's tea time, and tonight we have got ham, egg, beans and chips, potatoes. Basically cooked the gammon in the slow cooker all day. We've got loads left. Broke the eggs while serving them. Potatoes that have been chipped, done in fry light, and beans. That is tonight's tea. And it's tea time, and tonight we have got jacket potatoes. These have been done slow in the oven for 2 hours, so they are crispy as. These sausages are from the Polish shop. They're pork, and then cheese and beans, but the cheese has already melted. So yeah, that is tonight's tea. And it's tea time, and tonight we've got pizza. These are the thin and crispy sourdough ones from Sainsbury's. John has got a meat feast, pepperoni and chili beef with ham, and I've got ham and mushroom with garlic spinach, which sounds quite yummy. But yeah, that is tonight's tea.